photos, please.
Photo first.
Okay, look here, ready?
Okay na po. Saman, okay na mo?
Okay.
Wait lang. Okay.
Okay, let the countdown begin.
Yan ka, ayog labang ha.
3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, congratulations.
Okay.
Our CSOs, you may now take your seats here.
Thou shall not. Yes, thou shall not. Thou shall not. Yeah. Thou shall not.
Now, let us acknowledge the presence of our day around. Okay, and also to Mr. John Rafael R. Jimenea, the Department of Animal Science of Visayas State University, who are also our partner in our facility here, our technical partner, rather.
Civil society from our Sanggunian, Councilor Lalaine Jimenea. Marcos. And of course, from the strong members of the executive branch of the local government unit of Ormoc, we have Dr. Eros Torsa, the executive assistant of the mayor. Ang ato ang atong guwapang Councilor Marcos. Of course, ang atong department head in charge sa atong Eco Waste Facility, si Ingrid Macabare. Ang ato local partner sa atong program, si Lea. Iwagay-way mo. Ang atong mga partners no sa Mas Green Eco Waste Pickers Association, pinanguluhan sa atong President Rosalina Dumusmog.
So, pwede mo ma-forward dire?
Pinanguluhan ni Rowena Ligon nga mga miyembro sa atong organisasyon. Good morning and welcome to our Eco Waste Center. This Eco Waste Center is a 32-hectare facility accommodating all not so beautiful things of the beautiful city of Ormoc. So we have basically through three facilities in this area. One facility handling the health waste of the city. We have the needles, the sharps, waste from hospitals and birthing clinics. We also have a wastewater facility handling or managing municipal waters from the septic tanks, from the restaurants, hotels, and commercial facilities. We clean them up from these facilities and come up with something also, part of our circular economy initiative. And most importantly, the bigger component of this facility is our landfill, of which we accommodate solid waste materials. Of two components, basically the organic and the non-organic, of which we have the partners in the organic side. Kining ato mga partners, they do something or do better things out of these items. We have the MEPA, who does the eco bricks. The eco bricks are made of glass and eventually plastic. The challenge of all of these actually from us is how to make it more profitable, no? Para ang atong aktibidad dili lang kay maglimpyo sa atong komunidad, but also to make it a livelihood source for our communities. The city of Ormoc is assisting our organization by buying from them directly, instructing for the MEPA, we are buying from them directly, instructing our contractors through the Bids and Awards Committee Chair, myself, that they would buy from our organization. Yes. We also instruct our city architect to include in their designs pavers or eco bricks in their design. So instead of paving one whole parking lot, we install the eco bricks that they produce. In fact, you were stepping on them yesterday through the Estero Walk. Portion of it was already made with eco bricks from their facility. So we buy it from them and install it in public areas. Hopefully, many of our public areas, like our public cemetery, is also paved with eco bricks coming from them. So hopefully, eventually, these all facilities will be accommodating and using these eco bricks, and also returning back to the environment, making the environment more healthy, because we avoid concrete, the organic materials producing organic fertilizers. The challenge really is how to make it more profitable and more bigger, no? Nangutan ako ganina, I asked Sir Jay, what is the volume of our organic materials coming into our eco waste facility? He said it was about 5 tons a day. But I don't think they are converting 5 tons of waste a day, no? So it's really a challenge. The demand, the delivery as against the demand of the organization. Ultimately, unta no sa atong kalihukan, ma-proseso nato ang tanan. Dili lang ang pipila ka tonelada. 5 ka tonelada kuno nga organic waste ang musulod sa atong facility. Hopefully 5 tons gihapon or even more can be converted to organic fertilizer. So, wala pa mi magka-istorya. We haven't talked to this particular organization, but the city has been assisting a lot of farmers organizations. And maybe we can also incorporate this in our initiatives. Manghatag manggutag mga binhi, manghatag tag fertilizer, manghatag taog daghan pang assistance sa atong mga mag-uuma. Ngano dili man muhatag taog organic fertilizer. No, imbis nga mupalit ta og chemical nga fertilizer nga gapalit man gyud ang atong LGU, pwede ra gihapon na nato siya paliton directly from our cooperatives. So, at the end of the day, what is more important is also conversion for livelihood. Making the products that we create or extract from the landfill become a product of eco waste facility. We hope that we are not only processing the waste but also making it more profitable to our communities. And because of your assistance through the UNPH JET, we are able to do this. No? It makes it easier for us. But again, as a mission, no, dili man pwedeng pirmi na lang tatabangan. Kini para sa atong mga mulupyo. Ang pagtabang usually sa pagsugod lang. Ang pagdala ngadto sa atong pag-uswag sa atong mga komunidad, sa atong mga pamilya, sa atong mga kaugalingon, naara gihapon sa atong paniguro. That's why we hope that it only gives us more challenge, no? Dili lang nato pasagdan ang local government unit of Ormoc, pinanguluhan sa atong congressman, si Congressman Richard Gomez, sa atong mayor, Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez, ang atong vice mayor si Toto Locsin, kauban sa tanan natong mga konsehal, nagpundar o naniguro nga kini siya dili mawala, dili masayang. Hinaot kunta diha sa inyong part, inyong dawaton o paniguruan gihapon nga mahimo siyang very productive nga makatabang sa atong pangkabuhayan na pang-adlaw-adlaw. So with that, again, thank you very much and welcome for being with us, no, and helping us be more independent.
To our beloved visitors, to our partners, di ba, nag-English ko. Kaya naatay biso, ingala lang dyan, waste pickers. We are the waste pickers of landfill of Ormoc.
Uy, naghimo kong kudiguhay mo kay buong kay wako na anag. O, tanawa, gikatawa na dyan ko. Mao lagi dyan ni ako, lagi kay mo hilak yun ko basta naas ka atubangan sa dagan. May pagpakantahon na lang kong diretsyo. Oh, may may buntag. May buntag, ma'am, laling. May buntag, sir. Yes. Okay. Lalo sa
Ha? Kani ang inyong panumpa sa katungdanan. Ako si nga napili isip sa inyong kapunungan kinasingkas mga katungdanan o responsibilidad sa akong posisyon.
Mabuhay. It works. Can you hear me? Hello everyone. How are you? So I will try to be inspired. The people who drive change at local level. You're the people who inspire me to manage this wonderful project together with our partners from UNDP. But you're also the one who inspire your leaders. So I spent already one full day with your lovely Mayor Lucy, and I congratulate her for her leadership. Congressman Torres, our beloved Mother Earth. Daughter Earth is somewhere here. There you go. Sir Vince, you're the ones who create the vision and the dream that leads to actions. But in order for the actions to have an effect on you all, you need drivers for change. And these drivers for change are the people in front of me. So I thank you for being inspirational, and I learn from you how to be inspirational on my behalf, so I can manage this project better in cooperation with our team from UNDP and make a difference for you. Every time I manage a project, I take one step back and I say, why am I doing this? So every time I answer to myself the same question, because I want to make a difference for the local communities. I want to change your life. I want to create, and this is the magic word that we haven't actually mentioned in the last 2 days, sustainability. Sustainable lifestyle, sustainable income, sustainable living, because you also want to have a good life for you, for your kids, for your families, for your relatives. So initiatives like this are very important for you, very important for your barangays. You need to inspire others and keep doing what you're doing. So our beloved leader was crying because she's passionate, because she believes in what she does, and this inspires me. So you're the inspirational people today in front of us. So thank you.
Wait lang. Show me your tits.
Needed love just for you.
Kini siya man siya. Naman si Sir Kwan. Siya ang, actually, yan yung pinaka-output ni is crust. This is organic fertilizer. Mag-consider na siya fertilizer.
Halo na mo siya sa kung yung humus ni ma'am, no?
Fertilizer na gini siya.
Pwede na siya tamna na. Okay.
Mag-education na na.
Ang mga
Kini siya, after ni Ani, mag-pupate ni sila, mga...
all, no? Ang iyang itlog
Pero hindi ko mag-meeting kay man, digma, mamatay mang laki. Pwede siya ilaw sa manok, pwede siya ilaw sa tilapia.
ay preha atong sa unsa to na barangay. Napulain po ni siya mati ma'am.
Whatever, may kanya po ni siya. Kunya na lang kumuhika pa, kaya na dito maghatag mag-gloves.
For the span of 20 days. Wow. Yeah, so this 2 biopods can accumulate like 700 kg already. So basically the government, we already discussed about a 1 ton or 2 tonner facility for this one. This is already black soldier fly frass. So we process them, and this is already a fertilizer. Yeah, so we studied this one. I collaborated with the soil science department. We use them as soil ameliorant. Yeah, so this is a product already. For the pre-pupa, they will migrate. So we will redesign this later on. Chitin, or the exoskeleton, right? So after they emerge into flies, they will leave sex, and that's why when the CTLGU went to our university, they tapped our, so we basically fed them already with the substrates. Basically those organic fruits and vegetables coming from the landfill, we brought them here. We into the love cage, so unfortunately we do not have the flies. They're use it as animal feed. Also for pharmaceutical use, I want also to, so we could also use this. So another one, so this is the close-up view for the larvae. Actually, it only takes 3 days for them to hatch. So after that, you can rear them for as long as 18 days. Actually. So this is an example of a 15-day-old larvae. This one are old enough, more than 12. So that's a very short life cycle.
Mutual sacrifice.
Mga alalay ko kami.
Sige lang. So, pretty good. This one is the castle baby. This one is the enhanced compost. It is mixed with the so this one and this molasses also can be used for the LDSM. We can have same particles. That costs only but enhance. So to make it as a plant enhancer. So I hope okay, so it is cured for 7 days. This one is the final bacteria. How we consider the research as when the color is brown, let's see more, then small particles. So that's why we have to enhance the IA of the balance of some bad bacteria, to balance the good bacteria with the indigenous microbe. A trace of phosphorus, a trace of potassium, and a trace of elements. Otherwise,
Alright, give me one. Go. Everyone, I see you. Okay, for the video. Side step. Okay, jump shot. Side step.
Asa may paklan? Ako yung ipagsuod na kay may tao. So nagka
Much easier. Yeah, thank you. Vitamer? Oh, Sir Alfie also practice.
We just did it better than you.
In the shrine, in Meiji. Pag maano ka, na.
Oh, no.
He's married.
Go, Isa, go.
Wow! Sige, chit-chats lang.
I do the Titanic.
Music video? Amazing!
Yeah, that was good, really, yesterday. Just gave permission for
Titanic, come.
Titanic scene!
Titanic. You Titanic, I hold you.
Oh, dala mo, Ma'am Ingrid. Dala mo.
You know what? Do you like this?
Kay before naman sa mga kwanda ka ng mga baligyawas na mga
Wanna show me your tips?
Show me your teeth, please. Okay. Your teeth, please. Ano say, Okay.
No more, kanang wa may chain, ha? Dapat pinaan.
Apilo na.
Dili naman niya ako.
Apalin pag... Bello filters.
It's like a plastic soul.
plastic surgery expert.
You don't have space for it?
They do. Cutters.
The black one, yeah.
You might.
Kadihan mo man, mo ball? Gusto mo ba? Like model tools. Hold on. Most Instagram is
Iba pala.
Sakwa na mga.
Corrosion.
hindi pang model sticker.
So, ibig sabihin, ito siya ang manager ni Moico, saka ISO 1, ISO 3, ISO 4. So, apat ang...
Program manager siya, supposedly sa pero ang mahal ng
Hindi siya.
Okay, look far. Look far. Over there. Yep, nice. Nice. Love it. Look at that.